Hello my crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today to share with you some rosettes that I have been working on. I was inspired by a post that I saw on Crepe Paper's Instagram, and I wanted to do a 4th of July project. I don't know exactly what, but I knew that I wanted to make some rosettes, and so this is what I came up with, and I think they're super cute. I'll start out by sharing with you the dyes that I'm used, and then I'll go into further detail. I did use this dye right here. It is the mini paper rosette, and it is a Sizzix alteration dye. And I'll leave the links in the description box below if you don't have this one. This is an older dye, but it is one of my favorites. I did use this dye right here, and this dye is from AliExpress, and I really love this dye. It's really pretty. And then I recently picked up this dye right here, and it's the American flag. And then I used this Stitch Star dye, and I have been using this quite a bit recently in lots of projects, and I'm loving this nesting set. So I'm getting a lot of use out of this dye set right here. All right, so what you're looking at right here are all these mini rosettes that I've made, and as you can see, I have layered the stars. And like I said, I was inspired by a post on Crepe Paper. A lady had made lots of different rosettes, and they were so super cute, and she had layered them with stars, and some of them were with hearts, and so I just had to make a few. I really love the way that this one came out. I used 4 dyes to create this rosette. So you see the Stitch Star, and then I've got a little hot glue on this one. And then I added one of those little blingy pearls from Michaels. I used this really pretty heart rosette, which is, oh, you know what? I didn't pull that dye. This is from a different dye, but I'll link it down in the description box below for you guys. And then the rosette, and then I layered it with this really pretty dye right here. And it's this one. It's the second one in on this nesting circle set. So really pretty. So that's how I layered this rosette right there, and the glitter just really makes it pop, and it's so sparkly. And then I used a stitched circle die, a cross stitch circle die on this rosette, and just a stitched heart from one of my heart dies. This right here is rosette, and I made you with washi tape. And I don't know, I think I've probably seen this before. I'm not really sure, but it was on my desk, and I said, why don't I try using washi tape on the rosettes? So that's what I did. I used gold washi tape, and if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to share with you how I made my rosettes with washi tape. They're so much fun, and they're addicting, and now I am wanting to use my washi tape with making rosettes. I mean, how super cute is that, and how pretty it is to use gold washi. Really pretty. And then this is the next one. Again, using that heart circle die and just layering it with a star. And again, I won't go through every single one, but these ones again are made using washi tape. Really pretty. They're very sparkly. And this one is just red, and I have the blue like flower layer on the bottom. So pretty. These two are also made by Sizzix rosette. This is the snowflake. I think it's the snowflake one. I can't remember. I didn't pull this dye, but I love the way the glitter pops off of these rosettes. They're really pretty. And then on the bottom, I made a bunch of small ones because, you know, the die cuts out, it cuts out a big one and a small one. So I went ahead and made some smaller ones. And again, using the stars, and then you can slightly see that I did use the smaller rosette, and it just kind of gives it a slight bit of sparkle on the bottom. You can barely see it, but I just thought I would try it, and I think it looks pretty. And so some of these have the hearts with the pearls. Some of them have double stars with the pearls, and of course red, white, and blue. Really pretty. So I'm loving my rosettes. I think they came out extra cute. This one I actually added some glitter to the outside. I don't really like the way it came out, but I figured I'd go ahead and share with you. I think I needed a little bit more glue. I don't like the little white edges that are, you know, you can see the white edges, but I think if you cover it with enough glue, I think that would be really pretty. All right, let me show you some more rosettes. Now these ones I shared on my Instagram, and a lot of you guys were asking me how I made these, and these were also made using the washi tape. After I made the gold ones, I was like, let me try it with some different washi tape. So I just kind of went crazy. Here you see I made the rosette, and I used this really pretty, it was I think a unicorn washi from a unicorn washi tape roll, and then I have this blingy heart that is from Hobby Lobby, and then again I used that really pretty layered scalloped nesting set on the bottom, and I think it came out beautiful. I love it. I can't wait to try it with some more washi tape, different washies. So here's another one, and again using that Michael's bling that I shared a while back. I thought this one was really pretty. I thought this one would be pretty for a Christmas project. And then I have a couple of smaller ones, very, very pretty, and I love the way they look. It's just so, so pretty. And then this is the last one. And you can use different widths of washi, so it's gonna have a different look to it if you use, you know, a wider washi versus a thinner one. But I love this idea, and I hope you guys give it a try. If you make some washi rosettes, tag me on Instagram or send me a message letting me know. I'd love to see what y'all come up with. So stay tuned. I'm going to share with you how to create these washi tape rosettes. And I wanted to share with you the American flag that I created. I forgot to share it with you guys really quick using this die right here. I absolutely love it. I think it would be a really pretty card base, and I just wanted to share this with you. Made out of red and blue glitter paper, and then of course I used my Spellbinder contour die that I recently shared with you guys and cut it out of this faux leather that I had picked up off of AliExpress. And I just love the way that looks. Let me zoom out just a tad, but it's really, really pretty. And I was thinking about adding USA or something, I don't know, but I like the way that looks. So I wanted to share that with you as well. All right, stay tuned for the washi tape rosette tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. All right, so I am going to show you how to make the rosettes using washi tape. I had so much fun making them. I figured I would come on and share with you how to make them if you've never tried it. It's so much fun to do. What you're gonna need, obviously, is a die cut machine. I have this Big Shot. What I used to make my rosettes was this die right here. This is a Sizzix die, and it's the mini paper rosette, and it looks like that. And this is what it looks like. So I'm going to be using this die. If you don't have this die, use any die that you have, or you can just hand make rosettes, which very easy to do. But for this demonstration, I'm going to just use this die and show you how easy it is to put together. All right, so you will need, if you're using your die cut machine, you do need this extended multi-platform, and you do have to flip it to the #1 sleeve so that you can run your die through this die cut machine because it is extra long. So you do need that extended plate, and then you need these cutting plates for this particular die. If you're new to crafting, I just want to point everything out. If you're not, you guys know what to do. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to layer your plates. You're going to take this plate, and then you're going to take your die and your paper, and you're just going to position your paper over the die, and I'm going to lay it like so. And then this is my top part of my cutting plate. As you can see, it's extremely worn out, but it still works. So I'm just going to place my die in the machine and crank it, and voila, I have my 2 rosettes right here. Very simple to do, and as you can see, it's perforated, so it's easy to fold up and down to create your rosette. All right, so that's how I die cut out the rosette. So I'm going to go ahead and move my die cut machine out of the way, and I have several cut out, and I'm just gonna make a couple with you guys. All right, so I figure I'll go ahead and start with this red rosette right here. And I have some washi tape. I'm just gonna use this gold washi tape. And I think this will be pretty. And this is the larger rosette. So all you do is just line up your washi tape, and I just line mine up in the center and just carefully place it down as try to do it in the center so you have it even. And then I just take my scissors and cut it off right here. Move that off to the side and just smooth it down. And then you're just going to start to fold. Up and down, up and down. Very easy to do. It does make it a little bit thicker, so it might be harder to hold all of it together as you're creasing. You can just do little bits at a time, like I am. And almost to the end, and there you have it. And then I just like to push it down and make sure I got a good crease. Like that, and that looks nice. So I'm going to take my hot glue and adhere it. So I have my hot glue right here, and we'll attach it and just make sure it's lined up and push it down. You can always smooth away any excess glue if that happens, and then press it down like that, and voila, look at how pretty that is. I already have some of the little pieces to attach it to cut out, so just gonna add some hot glue right there and place my rosette on top and smooth it down and hold it into place. And voila, you have a really pretty rosette. Love the way that that looks. I'll go ahead and do one more. I'm going to go ahead and do this one, and I'm going to do a different washi tape. This is the smaller rosette, so I'm going to use this washi tape right here, and obviously just have fun with it and try a bunch of different washi tapes. Again, you're just going to position it in the center and roll out your washi and just try to align it so it's centered on your rosette. And then you cut off the excess. And then you just fold back and forth. Very easy to do. And squish it together. And I'm just going to apply the glue. And I don't know if I folded this one wrong. I'm just going to cut off the little piece because I don't like it to overlap. And normally it doesn't do that. I don't know what I did, but that's fine. Just cut that one off. Add my hot glue. Push it down. And then I just like to fold it in. And I'm going to take this little piece right here to attach my rosette. Place it on top and squeeze it and hold it down. Really, really simple. And then what I'd like to do is I wanted to show you Here is a little blingy piece from Michael's, and I love this jewel picker. If you don't have this tool, I highly recommend it, but it easily picks up your jewels so that you can adhere it. So I'm going to place some hot glue in the center. And if you just pull it like this, and then stick it on the center, and voila, you have a pretty rosette. I love the way these come out. They're so much fun to make. Hope this helped. I hope you enjoyed this process. I hope you make a bunch of rosettes with washi tape. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.